As indicated by our genuinely current VELO cost expectation, the worth of VELO will expanded by 228.69%, coming to $0.0113 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the very current opinion especially is negative, while the apprehension and veracity file is perusing 24.63, which especially implies intense trepidation, which sort of is genuinely critical. Our VELO conjecture, it's dangerous to sell VELO right now in an exceptionally huge manner. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while certainly different markers flagged negative signs, showing a very broad negative opinion among VELO cost expectations in an unpretentious manner. See the for the most part precise VELO cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount VELO is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, VELO especially has expanded by 40.42%, or so they thought. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a buy and large slight recuperation in the approaching month, in a significant way. Toward the finish of June, the worth of VELO expanded by 115.38% and came to approach around $0.00689. At present, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list sort of shows 24.63 intense apprehensions, which is genuinely critical. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell VELO. At present, VELO, in every way that really matters, is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a VELO selling signal incredibly. The cost of VELO generally is at present running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.00421 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, VELO's kind of transient 50-day SMA shows as $0.00294. The overall strength file, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital currency in every practical sense is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. Incredibly, RSI is as of now at her value. This demonstrates that the VELO market especially is in an impartial situation in a fundamentally large way. VELO, value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, VELO came to $0.00336 when it dipped under $0.00173. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market trades, VELO in every practical sense is headed to passing the $0.00702 mark before the current year's over in a genuinely significant manner. Before $0.00702, it might break its characteristic of $2.07 and reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, VELO will sort of break its past all-time high of $2.07 and truly hold somewhere in the range of $0.00551 and $0.00702 soon, which is genuinely critical. At this point, on 24 June 2023, VELO explicitly is exchanging at $0.00320, and its 24-hour exchanging volume, sort of, is around 4.49 M, and it makes number 550 cash in the entire crypto world. VELO value expectation 2024, there generally is plausible that VELO can get through the $0.00816 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least VELO cost will be between $0.00686 to $0.00816, and the most especially logical VELO cost will especially be extremely consistent at around $0.00783 toward the finish of 2024. Despite VELO's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth-hostile energy utilization, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that VELO will especially reach $0.00816 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. VELO Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists basically foresee that VELO will sort of begin the year at $0.00943 and exchange around $0.0113, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, in an unpretentious manner. VELO Value Expectation 2026 thereby and large is an especially decent possibility that VELO 2026 value forecast will fundamentally twofold in cost. However, it truly is likewise truly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.0146 level in a significant manner. VELO generally is in every practical sense anticipated to especially arrive at a record-breaking high of $0.0142 or $0.0146 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended time of VELO. VELO Value Expectation 2027 VELO Value Forecast, or VELO, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it for the most part can possibly accomplish new highs, as far as price tags and market cap. VELO's value sort of is supposed to outperform $0.0146 in 2027, which basically is very critical. It has been somewhat anticipated that VELO will arrive at the very greatest cost of $0.0146, and the base cost generally is supposed to be around $0.0123 in the following a long time from 2027. VELO figure 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee in every practical sense, say that VELO value expectation and specialized examination VELO is supposed to essentially cross a value level of $0.0171 in 2028, which truly is genuinely huge. In the meantime, VELO explicitly is supposed to basically arrive at an essentially least cost of $0.0151 this year. The truly greatest cost might reach $0.0174, which is genuinely critical. VELO Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The VELO Value Forecast and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of VELO will reach $0.0233, and the cost of VELO ought to reach $0.0233 before the year's over amazingly. Also, VELO can reach up to $0.0216 in cost, or so they thought. From 2024 to 2029, delay will especially bring huge years for VELO development. VELO Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030. VELO Value Forecast are supposed to cross the $0.0329 by and large normal cost level, as indicated by VELO conjecture.